Hello everyone, in this video we will be going to talk about a Python library which helps you to perform automated data cleaning. With the help of this library, you can perform data cleaning in just 3 lines of code. It supports all this feature, applicable for both small as well as large dataset, handles the missing value as well as the duplicate values, identifies and correct the spelling error in categorical column as well as the categorical values. Then it will detect the outlier. Then it will detect and fix the data imbalance problem by applying undersampling and oversampling algorithms. After that, it will identify and correct skewness in numerical data. Then it will check for correlation and detect the multicollinearity problem. Then it analyzes for feature cardinality in the categorical column. After that, it identifies and clean the textual data. Then it can detect the JSON type column also. And at last, it will perform exploratory data analysis like univariate, bivariate, multivariate analysis and save it in a dashboard format. First of all, what you have to do, you have to create a virtual environment and install this library. Let me copy this out. So the first thing that you need to do is open CMD and create a virtual environment. So Python -m venv. With the help of this line of code, you can create a virtual environment. Next, you have to install UV library. So if you remember, UV library is basically used for downloading the Python packages at a very high speed. So pip install UV. But before that, activate the environment. So write venv/scripts/activate and then install UV. Now let me clear my screen. After that, what you have to do? You have to install this library. So UV pip install automated cleaning equal to specify the version number. So if you see the version number is 0.1.7, then click on enter. So you can see the automated cleaning library is been installed. Next, you need something called as Anthropic API key. So what you have to do, you just have to go to Claude. So sign up with your Google account in Claude. Then you have to click on here. Click on API console. And click on get API keys. So here what you have to do, you just have to create an API key by clicking on create key and copy this API key somewhere. Once the library has been installed, clear the screen. Now let me open this file, example.py file. So this is basically the data that I am going to clean out. So you have to write import automated cleaning as AC. And then you have to load the data, company data.csv, and then you have to clean the data. Now let me save this out. After that, open your CMD and run this out. So Python example.py. Now click on enter. You can see it is started. So first of all, what we have done, we have loaded the data and we have checked whether the column is string, text or JSON. And after that, we have processed the text column. Currently, there are no text column present in this data set, so we will leave as it is. And these are the categorical column detected. After that, we check for the negative values and we find out that the pricey column contain negative values, so it will automatically fix this thing. After that, if there are any symbols present like $sign, rupee sign, hyphen sign in a column, so we will process that out. So currently detected that advertising column contain a hyphen sign. You can see it out. Let me open this company data. And you can see that in advertising column, there is a hyphen present. Here. Once this thing is done, it is checking for the spelling error in the column name. So we have find out that pricey spelling is wrong. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to write 6 and I'm going to change this column. Rename this column name. So the new column name is price. After that, it is asking that you want to fix spelling error in categorical column. So either you can skip this step or don't skip this step. So currently I'm not skipping. So I'll clicking yes. Now it will provide you two methods. The first method is do with Claude API key, and second thing, change the spelling error manually. So currently I'm doing with Claude. So I'll click on one. Then I will pasting my Claude API key, and after that I'm clicking on enter. Here we can see the spelling is there: medium, good, GW, bad, good, BA. So it is fixing it out. After that, you can see no spelling error is there, no spelling error is there. So it will leave as it is. After that, it is checking for the missing values and fixing it out. Then it is checking for the duplicate rows and dropping the duplicate rows. Then it is checking for the cardinality in the categorical column. So currently there is no column of low cardinality column. Currently there is no column having low cardinality. And then it will perform correlation plot and check for the multicollinearity problem. So you can see there is no highly correlated feature present in our data set. So there is no problem of multicollinearity. After that, it is asking enter your target column. So let me enter the target column as cell block and click on enter. So you can see it has detected there is a classification problem. If you enter a numerical problem, it will detect it as regression problem. Then it is checking for the class distribution for classification problem, and you can see the data set is imbalanced. So what we can do, we can either apply oversampling or undersampling. Now let me choose undersampling here and click on enter. And you can see the data is now balanced. After that, what it will do, it will perform univariate, bivariate and multivariate analysis and give me the clean data. So just wait for a minute. You can see there are no JSON types columns, so it is skipping this step. And after that, it will perform EDA and then it is cleaning me, saving the clean data set. So here we can see an output file is generated and you can see a HTML file is there. So let me open this HTML file. So here we can see, first of all, it has performed univariate analysis. You can see box plot is there, histogram is there. Then if you click on bivariate analysis, it has performed bivariate analysis. And after that, it has performed multivariate analysis. So you can see a correlation plot is there. So this is how you can perform automated data cleaning in just 3 lines of your code. Install it out. If you have any issue, just raise an issue and contributions are welcome. So if you want to do any contribution, feel free to do that.